With the Smart Oven Air Fryer Compact's clever pizza function, homemade pizza will quickly become a favorite in your household. With the wire rack facing downwards, insert it to position 1 and close the oven door. Use the function dial to select the pizza function. The LCD displays the cook preset time with the super convection and frozen settings. Use the temp time dial to set your desired temperature and cooking duration. Or you can toggle the super convection and frozen buttons to the desired setting that most suit your cook. Then press the Start-Stop button to activate the oven's pizza function, and once it is preheated, you're ready to go. At the end of the timer, if you'd like your pizza to be slightly darker, you can press the A Bit More button to run the oven for a bit longer to achieve your desired result. Whether it's freshly made or store-bought dough or even a frozen pizza, it's all simple with the pizza function. Would anybody like a slice?